Hello everyone. Today I'm using my Ninja. This is all-in-one cooker, no? Look at this. It's the latest one, guys. So this is a very smart cooker. And what's inside is, look at this. Look at that. I'm using toast, na? Oh, I'm toasting the wings, the chicken. Okay, so, and it's not, look at here, it's not getting hot, as if you are not cooking, guys, no? Yeah. Okay. The cabinet I'm using is plastic, guys, plastic. Yeah, because I believe that plastic is a good insulator for electricity, and we will not be electrocuted when something goes wrong. So that's it, guys. Look at that. Very nice, no? Very smart cooker. I recommend this Ninja, really, guys. Yeah, it doesn't make a sound. The sound you are hearing is the sound from my, from my washing machine. At the other side, I'm washing. Look at that, na? So here. So because my kitchen is very, very tiny. Because I'm alone. Why should I need a big kitchen, na? Okay. So what I have in the kitchen is this Ninja. My old air fry, I kept it already there downstairs. So guys, no? And I need to make some adjustment here, guys. And I have my, what do you call this here? My Samsung microwave oven, guys. And this is all-in-one also, guys. You can fry, you can whatever you want there, no? Okay. And I'm very proud to present to you the Ninja. Huh? And there is also what we call, this Ninja is with this one, guys. This thermometer. It has a thermometer, but I'm not using it right now because it's very easy to detect whether the food is already cooked, na? Or whether the food is it's on its high level or the right temperature, like that, na? Something like that. So you can correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, but I will appreciate it, guys. So that's it. Do you find it beautiful? I find it very beautiful, guys. Very wonderful. And thank you for watching. I hope you all subscribe me.